Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about around 2,000 homes have been left without power, and the transport network continues to be severely affected as Storm Eunice lashes at the UK. High winds led the schools closures, flights cancellations, and stay at home warning across the country. One person has died in Ireland and a number of people have been injured in the UK. A gust of 122 mph measured at a exposed point on the Isle of Wight set a provisional record for England. If confirmed, it will beat the previous record of 118 mph gust set in on 1979. Thank you for watching.